I know you like this effect. Wants to try for your images. Try wonderful app Canva Pro. Into your Canva Pro account and choose any document size. As I am using here Instagram post size, choose your from gallery and go to effects and remove image background. Add background color of your choice. Use photo frame from elements. Adjust frame according to your choice. Now choose again same image from gallery and remove image background. Adjust image according to your choice. Pop out image effect is ready.